2017 F-150 bladed. As you can see, no keypad. I've simulated all keys lost. We're just gonna do non-remote head key. You'll hear our alarm go off. I've rolled the window down already, so I'm gonna set the alarm off here. We're gonna go through programming. All right, so as you can hear, we got an active alarm. I'm gonna go under 2015 to 2017 F-150 Prox. I'm gonna use 1111. I'll leave the ignition off. Actually, I think we're leaving the ignition on. I'm gonna leave the ignition on. No. We're gonna leave it off. All right, is the alarm active? Yes. All right, so we gotta latch the door. We'll go ahead and do that real quick. See, I'm just gonna use my socket here. There we go. Just use my socket extension. All right. All right. So we're going to disconnect the battery. Okay, let's go ahead and set that off to the side right there. Okay, I'm gonna hit OK. All right, we're gonna connect the battery. We're gonna hope we get no alarm yet. So here we go. We got no alarm as of yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this back down. Walk back over here. Oh, wants you to close the hood. All right, let's close the hood. I'm gonna be gentle. Okay. All right, so we got a few minutes here. I know this takes probably about 10 minutes, so we'll be back when it's done. All right, it said that the alarm should be normal for it to be sounding. So we went to the next, and now we gotta wait 10 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and time that out, and then we will be back in about 10 minutes. All right, we just got our 2 horn beeps, so we're gonna hit OK. Gained. Do we want to clear keys? We're going to hit no. Okay, key to be programmed. It's in. Go ahead and turn it on. See, 3 keys. Went in. Let's set our alarm off. No big deal. There we are. So it set our alarm off when we turned our key on. Not a big deal, as you can see. And there we are. So we left our key off and then turned it on at the last minute. I haven't tried it with the key on. That may work as well, but this is with the key off. 2017 Ford F-150 bladed, all keys lost, active alarm, no keypad.